Okay friends, today is Monday and for our circle time today, we're looking at our food topic, food and nutrition. So we are going to look, some of you noticed this morning that there is a triangle on the floor. And you notice that it is a little bit like our food pyramid that we looked at last week. We were learning a little bit about different food groups and we introduced what different foods do for our body and why it's important we eat different food from different food groups. So let's take a look at our food pyramid, and I also have this food groups book. Now there are 5 different food groups in our food pyramid. Starting at the bottom, you can see fruits and vegetables. Now the bottom of the triangle, you can see, make a triangle with your hands. Can you see the bottom of the triangle is the big part of the triangle?
Yes.
That means you need the most. Fruit and vegetables is at the bottom. You need to eat more and more fruits and vegetables. They are good for our body.
Like the rectangles.
And then the next part is carbohydrates. Now these include bread, rice, pasta, noodles. These are also very important for our body. So that's the next group that we need to eat. And then in the middle there is protein. This includes meat and also eggs and beans and legumes. All things that protein helps us to build our muscles. Yes, James?
Also, the top of the triangle is a triangle, and the top of that triangle is a triangle, and keeps going on forever.
Yeah, you can see at the top of the food pyramid here, the shape is a triangle, the smallest one. But just below there is dairy. Now, do you remember things that are made out of dairy are made from milk? And where do we get milk from?
Cow.
Yeah, from the cows. And you can make different things from milk. So that includes butter, cheese, yogurt. That's included in our food pyramid. And then at the top is the fats or the sugar. So that might include what kinds of things we just eat a little bit of. Yanni, can you think of some things? What do we eat that we could only eat sometimes? Desserts, good job. Yeah, desserts like candy, sweets, things like that, okay?
Only special days.
Yeah, special days or only a little bit sometimes. So we learned about how the food gives us nutrients, keeps us healthy. So in the book we also can see the fruits and vegetables.
Banana.
Yummy, so important for us. And then grains, carbohydrates, the whole foods, and then we also have protein to build muscle, and dairy, and then the last one we said the sometimes foods like candy. So here, yeah, that one's for later. Here in my tray, I've got some different kinds of food that go into the 5 different food groups. So we can look at this food pyramid and we look at it here on the floor. So if you choose a food from here, let's see if we can put it into the food pyramid. Which one does it go? So the first one at the bottom are the fruits and vegetables, carbohydrates, protein, dairy, fats. Let's see, okay? Who on the table? Sayu, do you want to come and choose something? Oh, what is this?
Grapes.
Grapes. Yeah, which one would you put it in? Oh, good job, because it will go at the bottom of the food pyramid, because what food group is it? Fruit and vegetables. Good job. Marcus, you want to choose something else from here? From the basket, what other things could we find? Oh, what's this one?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Where are you going to put that? Good. What food group is it in?
Broccoli.
Broccoli food group. Fruits and fruits and broccoli. Yeah, broccoli is a vegetable. Yeah, James, you come and choose Fruits and vegetables. We put those ones together. Everyone put your feet back, please. Which one do you want to choose? It doesn't have to be fruits and vegetables. You can choose from a different food group and see if we can put it. Whoa, yes, what's this? What's that, James? You tell everyone?
Strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream. Good. Which food group do you want to put this into?
This is a dessert.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it on the tiny top.
Right at the very top?
Yeah.
Good, because that one is a sometimes food, isn't it? Yeah, you put it at the very top. Yummy! Come and choose. What can you see? There's some different kinds of food groups here. Maybe, is it something you recognize? Pasta, yeah, good. So this one is a carbohydrate. It goes above the fruits and vegetables. Good job. Yeah, that one.
That's good for me to eat.
That is good for you to eat. And remember, when you have these kind of carbohydrates, you have things with them. So maybe in this pasta you will put vegetables or you will put meat.
That's why I like noodles.
Oh,
I like noodles.
All right, guys. Yeah, and the sauce. Emma, could you come and choose something? You put your hand up so nicely. What's that? Yeah, a carrot. So which food group would you put it into? Good. Fruits and vegetables. Good job, Emma. Is that okay? Yeah. Oh, let's see who else is sitting nicely. Christian, you want to come? What do you want to choose? Let's see if we can find something from a different food group. Oh, that is yogurt. Yogurt. That is a kind of dairy. Can you see here on the picture, Christian? It is dairy, so it goes on the second one. Yogurt is made from milk. Good job. Yeah, it's healthy for us. Damon, you'd like to take a turn? You want to come up? You are not looking. Which food would you choose? Oh, do you know what this is? Yeah, cheese. It's also, that one is also made from dairy because it is made from milk. Good, so we put it there with the yogurt. So we don't need to eat so much of that, but it's still important for our diet. So friends, we've almost got something in every part of the food pyramid, but not quite. We need something in the protein. That is including meat, fish, and eggs. Let's see, Kia, can you find something to put in the protein? Meat, fish, eggs. Yeah, do you know what kind of meat this could be? Steak, yeah, good. It's a steak.
Yago's favorite.
Yago's favorite, your brother's favorite. You put it on the food pyramid for us? Nice, good. So now we have something in all of the different parts of the food group. So when we have a meal, we can eat different foods from different food groups to make a balanced diet, a healthy diet. We can't only eat fruit and vegetables. We can't only eat dairy or only eat carbohydrates because our body needs different things from different foods. So that's why we need to eat a balanced diet. Damon, can you sit down, please?
You have to eat everything.
Yeah. So you can see in the picture, we put all the different foods on our plate. Food gives our body nutrients to stay healthy. Different foods have different nutrients, so we need to eat different things from different food groups to make sure we have a balanced diet. Good job. So we can remember, we'll keep this picture of the food pyramid in our classroom so we can look and make sure we're eating something from the different food groups every day. Maybe even every meal.
Every dessert.
Yeah, every time we have a dessert. Oh, maybe that's too many times. Marcus, can you help me? Marcus and Sayu, can you help me to pick up the food and put it back into the basket?
Oh, this is for eating.
Yeah. Are you so hungry?
I'm so hungry.
Good. One more.
I'm so hungry.
So when you have your lunch today, you can look at what different food you'll eat at lunchtime. Alright friends, I'm going to show you what we're going to do in group work today. We are going to do our handwriting book, our number book, and we're going to do some artwork, okay? I will show you. Let's take Alright, so we will do our number book first. We are on this number. What is it?
31.
Good, 31. So it's the same format as we did last week with number 30, our new page. So the first thing you can do is write, you can write the one like this, or we can just write one going straight down. We can trace the words, and we can practice how to spell the words. And then the next section of our book is even or odd.
Even.
Who knows if this is an odd or even number? Ooh, friends, put your hand up if you think this is an even number. Put your hands up if you think it's odd number. James, you're right, James. It is an odd number. Remember that even numbers are 0 and 2, 4, 6, 8. And then the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is a 1. So we will circle odd. You're looking for the word odd. Odd. O-D. Looking for the O word. And then what is one more than 31? Add 1. Good.
And 1.
And what is 1 less? What's 1 less than 31? Is 31? Yeah, 30. And then, do you remember this part is decomposing the number? So how can we split the number up? Last time we did 30 and 0. Maybe we could do
1.
We could do 30 and 1. Or you can think of your own ways to separate the number. Maybe you want to do 20 and 11. Or no, but if you do 1 and 1, that will be 2. You add the numbers together so we can separate it as 30 and 1. You can see here in the template. And then friends, we are going to write.
Only 2 times.
Yeah, let's see how much space we have.
1.
Oh, I think you can write. And I think you can only trace 31 one time. You don't have enough space to write it. So you can look at the letters in the word 31. And then when you finish your number book, you put it on the chair. And then for your handwriting book, this will be your homework. We are going to do my letter. For my name, letter L. And Lucy Lampard is here. Marcus, your hands. Yeah, this is my letter for my name. Yes, Millie? Oh, so Millie's name has 2 L's in the middle. Good, you're right. Yeah. So when we are doing the small letter L, it looks like number 1.
What? Straight only.
Straight line only. Easy. So we can trace.
Only one. Only what?
We
Only
can
don't make
trace
one.
the
Over.
But make sure that you finger space it. Christian, can you sit up, please? And then these 2 will be for homework. And then for the big L, let's look with our finger. So we'll go down and across. Big, strong, straight lines, okay? So the L is tall, straight, sitting. It is sitting on the line. Make sure that you leave a space. It doesn't have a tail, no, it sits on the line. And then we are not going to write a sentence, we are going to write 3. We're going to write 3 letter L words. So let's see. Let's read this word together. Can you say? Good. Log. What is a log?
A wood.
Piece of wood. A log. Look. Good. Look. Am. Lamb. And a lemon. So you will do this one for write one long word. And remember to write it on the line, okay?
Yeah.
And if you make a mistake, you can use the
Eraser.
eraser. Marcus, keep your hands.
Not the marker pen.
Yeah.